Nice. So mga puso, thank you very much for watching. Your sea breeze. Good evening mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So mga kabunso, my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make a sea breeze cocktail. Yeah, sea breeze. So for the sea breeze, we need this vodka and grapefruit juice and cranberry juice. And of course, my shaker and my jigger. So mga kabuso, for the sea breeze, let's do it. So first step, you need the first vodka. For the vodka, 45 ml of vodka. 45 ml of vodka. And 60 ml of grapefruit juice. 60 ml mga kabunso. And 60 ml of cranberry juice. And put some ice. And shake it. And our rock glass. So mga buso, I will use this rock glass and with ice. Almost done mga kabunso. And here we go. Nice color. Amazing. And our garnish, lime oil mga kabunso. So mga kabunso, your sea breeze is ready. Cheers. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share all my vlogs and videos. So tasting time. Cheers. Oh, amazing. Nice and cool. I like it. Ah. Nice. So mga puso, thank you very much for watching. Your sea breeze. Cheers.